Hi, and welcome to the Suffolk Public Library's Yoga 101 yoga demonstration video. My name is Nina, and I will be guiding you through Sun Salutation A. This flow is used as the base in many yoga classes, whether that be at a gym or a yoga studio. So if you're just beginning your yoga journey, this is a great place to start. It can also be used as a warm-up to any other workout, or simply by itself if you're just trying to get your body moving. So welcome, let's get started. We're going to begin today's practice in easy pose, seated, which just means that we're cross-legged on our mat, towel, or whatever you have available to you. I like to begin all of my practices by setting an intention, thinking about what brought me to my mat. If you don't have an intention, that's okay. You can borrow mine, and that is to show gratitude to my body for all it does for me. I like to seal that intention with a deep breath in through my nose and an audible exhale through my mouth. And another one, just for good measure. We're going to begin our warm-up with some shoulder rolls, going backwards, then forwards, and doing that as many times as we need to at your own pace. And then we're going to lift our hands up above our head, grab our left wrist with our right arm, giving a gentle side stretch, and switching right wrist and right hand. As we bring our arms down, we want to roll our wrists and in the other direction. Giving our wrists a stretch by gently pulling on our fingers with a little pulse if you'd like to deepen it, and switching hands. Our shoulders back as if they're going into the pockets of our pants, opening your chest, and on the exhale, drawing in your abs, hunching your back, and extending your spine. This is a seated cat-cow, and we're going to repeat this a few more times at your own pace. Reminder, on the inhale, gently rolling your shoulders back, opening up your chest, and on the exhale, drawing in your abs, hunching your back, and extending your spine. The next part of this video does go a little quickly, so please feel free to pause and rewind as many times as you need until you fully understand the flow. We're going to begin at the top of our mat in mountain pose, which means our feet are hips width apart, our arms are down by our side, and our palms are facing outward. On our next inhale, we're going to lift our arms above our head and exhale into a forward fold, letting gravity lengthen your spine. Inhale, half lift, hands on your shins. Exhale into plank pose. Coming down for a modified chaturanga, knees to the ground, chest to the ground, chin up into baby cobra. We're going to exhale into downward facing dog and pedal out some of that tension in our hamstrings. We're going to inhale, lift our heels up, and exhale back into the top of our mat in a forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, coming all the way up, arms above our head. Exhale, back down into mountain pose. What I'm going to walk you through now is a non-modified chaturanga. From mountain pose, you're going to repeat everything up until you hit plank pose. You're going to lower yourself no more than halfway, and instead of bringing your knees to the ground, you're actually going to lift your chest into upward facing dog. On the exhale, back down into downward facing dog. Inhale, heels lift. Exhale, meeting down in a forward fold at the top of our mat. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms above the head. Exhale, arms down into mountain pose. Now we're going to repeat this as many times as you would like until you feel warmed up or until you feel like you have moved your body as much as you'd like. So you can watch this flow, and on the next one, give just a little bit more guidance. Meeting back in mountain pose. We're going to inhale, arms lift, exhale, forward fold, inhale, half lift, exhale into plank, plank into upward facing dog, exhale, downward facing dog, inhale, ankles up, exhale, top of the mat, inhale, half lift, exhale, full breath, inhale all the way up, exhale back down to mountain pose. I'm choosing to end my practice here, but if you would like to repeat this video, please feel free to do so as many times as you need to feel like your body is warmed up. I am choosing to end today's practice in child's pose. So if you would like to join me, you can come to your hands and knees on your mat. Spread your knees as wide as your mat, keeping the tops of your feet on the floor with the big toes touching. Rest your belly between your thighs and then root your forehead on the ground, relaxing your shoulders. During any yoga class, you can choose to sit in child's pose if you just need a break to catch your breath, or even if your body has just reached the limit of the day. As we come out of child's pose and wrap up our time today, I just want to say thank you for practicing with me, and I hope to see you guys soon at any of our other library programs that are happening. Namaste.